complaining about you. Loving if I complain about you, would it do you any honor? No, by my faith it wouldn't. It's not right since you had me in your keeping. Now you're throwing me out. Hey! You're thinking of how she wants me, the one I wanted. Hey! No agreement comes, here I am brought lower. Pain comes over me and turns my rain toward her. Folly was my suspicion about someone much better. She doesn't allow anyone to think of her at all. So I'm doing a foolish waiting. I've changed myself too quickly. Don't say she's taking herself from me. I'm taking myself from her. Many times I'm worried and fear comes over me that I'll lose my breath. Hey, whoa! When I remember that she fails me and starts her fickleness, it takes away my comfort. Great sin it will be if I complain about myself, because I'm the one who did it. I changed too fast. I'm the fool here, not her, me. And nothing that was ever light or joyful was ever equal with me. Now you are in dismay and in doubt. I've forgotten. I remember. Now, when I'm in Provence, I go mixed between anger and peace. And know this, the joy that sprouts there